Hello everyone, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com, and I just wanted to take a quick moment to share with you how I set up my calendar, which was purchased, as I mentioned before in other posts, that I picked it up on sale from Inkwell Press. And what I do is take the day and white it out. I just use, something I picked up from Staples. And what I do with the weeks is just instead of removing the day, I remove the date. So therefore, I have 2 weeks of just blank pages. Even if the day or the holiday doesn't fall on the respective day, it really doesn't matter. I can remove this, or if I need to focus on that holiday for the special event, then I'll just remember what date it falls on for 2018. So what I do is pretty much I have a mobile bag. It's not a mobile bag, it's just a purse that I turned into, little things that I need while I'm on the road and I can easily access. Is one thing that's really important when you're an administrator, is that to find things and then quickly access them while you're on the road. So what I do is I just take the number stenciled, and I picked this up at I think it was Blix downtown. And what I'll pretty much do is just cover the 7 with the 8, and then the month will be ready for use. Okay, I think that turned out pretty good. So therefore, when I turn to the month, I'm not looking at 2017 and thinking the days and the dates fall on the wrong place, but I'm actively thinking about, okay, Monday falls on the 5th, which means February the 28th, 26th, 27th, 28th should fall on a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that should be about right. So I hope this tip helped you, and I'll be back with another video so that I do a full setup for my video blogging. All right, take care.